A is for apple, this is an apple, apple. A is for ant, this is an ant. And B is for ball, this is a ball, ball. B is for bear, this is a bear, bear. C is for cat, this is a cat, cat. C is for cup, this is a cup, cup. D is for dog, this is a dog, dog. D is for duck, this is a duck, duck.
Nothing beats fresh fruit from the farm.
E is for egg, this is an egg, egg. E is for elephant, this is an elephant. F is for fish, this is a fish, fish. F for fan, this is a fan, fan. G is for goat, this is a goat, goat. G is for guitar, this is a guitar. H is for hat, H is a hat, hat. H is for hippo, this is a hippo, hippo. I is for igloo, this is an igloo, igloo. I is for ink, this is some ink, ink. J is for jam, this is some jam, jam. J is for jet, this is a jet, jet. K is for kite, this is a kite, kite. K is for kangaroo, this is a kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, this is a lion, lion. L is for lamb, this is a lamb, lamb. M is for moon, this is the moon, moon. M is for mouse, this is a mouse, mouse. N is for net, this is a net, net. N is for nose, this is a nose, nose. O is for owl, this is an owl, owl. O is for orange,
Hi,
this
everyone.
is an orange,
Ready to
orange.
go to the
P is for pig, this is a pig, pig. P is for pen, this is a pen, pen. Q is for queen, this is a queen, queen. Q is for quilt, this is a quilt, quilt. R is for rat, this is a rat, rat. R is for ring, this is a ring, ring. S is for sun, this is the sun, sun. S is for snake, this is a snake, snake. T is for tiger, this is a tiger, tiger. T is for tree, this is a tree, tree. U is for umbrella, this is an umbrella, umbrella. U is for up, this is up, up. V is for van, this is a van, van. V is for violin, this is a violin, violin. W is for water, this is water, water. W is for watch, X is a watch, watch. X is for x-ray, this is an x-ray, x-ray. X is for box, this is a box, box. I is for yo-yo, this is yo-yo, yo-yo. Y is for yellow, this is yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra, this is zebra, zebra. Z is for zoo, this is zoo, zoo, zoo.
Ready to play with our yo-yos? Yeah, let's go. Wow, watch this spin. Cool. Now let's try a trick. Okay, swing it wide. This is so fun.